morning. Today is Wednesday, June 30th. It looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day today. I hope that you guys have made it halfway through the week. We're almost there to that holiday weekend, so it's a smooth downhill ride from here. Today I wanted to speak about something that occurred in our office, and it brings up a good point. So I don't want to pick out one person in particular, but I want to share the story so that other people are aware and know about this so that they can avoid it. When we give you guys directions, or if anyone gives you directions about going to a job interview, it's really important that you follow those rules to a T. We had somebody come in, we gave her strict instructions on what type of shoes to wear, and she actually wore a different type of shoes, and she had gotten through the whole interview process. She had gone through interview after interview. She had gone through screening process, 2 on-site interviews. They loved her, thought she was a perfect fit, ready to start her for the job. Well, she showed up with the wrong type of shoes on, and they actually chose to pass on her for the position. So it's really important if we tell you to bring your safety glasses, you need to bring your safety glasses. If we tell you that you need to wear closed-toed shoes, it's really important that you wear closed-toed shoes. So I just want to make you guys aware of this so that it can be avoided in future situations. And I want to go over again how to dress for an interview. I know that we've talked about it before, but I want to go through it again. Brief overview of a men's attire: a suit, a long sleeve shirt with a tie. Make sure that the sleeves are rolled down, they're not rolled up. Make sure that your belt matches and your tie matches, that you are wearing dark socks with conservative leather shoes. Do not wear white socks with black shoes. It's a major fashion faux pas above nothing else. And make sure that you have little or no jewelry on. You have a professional hairstyle that is neat and tidy. It doesn't look like you went like this and got out of bed. And then make sure that you have a portfolio and a briefcase to hold your resume and to look professional. For women, if you choose to wear a suit, it should be navy, gray, or black, and it's a darker gray. Make sure that your skirt is long enough so that you can sit down comfortably. You have a blouse that matches, conservative shoes, that you are not wearing a lot of jewelry. I know that it is fashionable to wear a lot of jewelry, but for interviews it's good to just be professional. Make sure that if you're going to wear jewelry, it's not cheap jewelry, and if you want to wear cheap jewelry, I would definitely recommend you not wear it. Make sure that you have a professional hairstyle. If you wear the skirt, make sure that you have nylons on. Make sure that you have light makeup and perfume, and that you have a portfolio or briefcase. And things that you need to avoid bringing to an interview: gum, cell phone, iPod. Nothing is worse than walking out and seeing somebody waiting for their interview with their earbuds in their ear connected to their iPod. Do not bring coffee or soda. If you have a lot of piercings, take out your piercings and only have one set of earrings in. And then make sure that your tattoos are covered. So I hope that these give you a little bit better idea of what to wear to an interview, and definitely just please follow directions if a company tells you this is what you need to wear for your interview, so that it shows that you are listening, you're interested in the position, and that you really know how to follow directions. And today I want to go over some positions that I've gone over before, but I want to reiterate them because I want to get them filled as soon as possible. Some of them include assemblers. If you have some assembly experience and you are interested in working with your hands, putting together surgical equipment, you'll be sitting at a workstation and you'll be responsible for putting together one part of that equipment. So if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and apply with us online. It's for the assembler position, and we do have true temp and temp to hire positions. We are also looking for inspector packagers for a company in Kalamazoo. The beauty of this position is that they work 12-hour days. So you'll be working 3.5 days a week. You'll be getting 2 hours of overtime, so you'll be working 42 hours. And it is in a fast-paced environment. You'll be taking the product off of the line and then making sure that you inspect it. You'll be looking it over to make sure there aren't any defects on it, and then packaging it up. If you are interested in this position, you want to work the 12 hours, you want to get your work week done in 3.5 days, then this position is for you. So apply with us online. And I have an opportunity for a direct hire position, which means that you'll come into our office, you'll interview with the company, and then you'll automatically become their employee rather than on-staff's employee. And what you'll do is you'll train on first shift, and then you'll move to either second or third, and the pay is up to $20 an hour. It is for a CNC machinist, and they would like you to, under little to no supervision, be able to program, set up, and operate the machinery and inspect the machine components using precision measuring equipment while keeping production records, maintenance laws, and GMP documentation. You will set up and perform frequent tasks specialized using standard or non-standard procedures. You will work from engineering drawings. You may have to plan machining sequences to create part routines. You may have to load, edit, or troubleshoot part programs and tool data in an integrated manufacturing area. What we would like for you to do is, if you are able to use precision tools and equipment, be able to troubleshoot and maintenance machinery, and you have experience working in a manufacturing area, and you can help others train and set up the operational and documentation procedures, please apply with us online. We would love to get you right into this position. It is, as I said, it will be working on second or third shift. It pays up to $20 an hour, but we would like you to have 3 to 5 years of CNC machining experience. You'll be working both on lathes and mills, and a small amount of time will be on the 2 spindle screw machines. That was a lot of information. So if you have any more questions about this position and you want to know more, contact me on Facebook and Twitter. I would love to be able to explain it more in depth to you and be able to break up this information so you could catch it a little bit easier. And you can apply for this position on our website under CNC Machinist. And then we are also looking for welders. We are looking for MIG welders that are able to lay out a product to the blueprint or CAD drawings and then tack and stitch weld. Whew, that was rough. And then you'll be able to use air and power tools. We would like you to be able to read a tape measure and know how to square walls. You must be able to add and subtract fractions and work from ladders. A requirement for this position is that you have your own welding helmet, markers, measuring tape, a utility knife, and leather work boots. And you must pass an on-site welding test. So if you are currently a MIG welder and you feel comfortable enough to pass a welding test and you have experience laying out the product based on blueprints or CAD drawings, go ahead and apply with us online. If I didn't go over any positions that you are interested in today, then go ahead and go to our website anyway. We have a ton of positions available that we would love to match you up with. I hope that everyone has a great Wednesday, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow on Thursday. Have a good one.